Hold on, Tony. Hold on, Tony. We are here at the monkey park. And by monkey park, I mean the forest.
Okay, he's got some food.
Yeah. Very gentle.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You don't get anything. Here you go. You're attracted.
They're smart.
No, you're full. You're full. There you go.
Up on my head.
Oh my goodness.
Careful, Lucian. He'll throw poop at you.
You got it.
That one's got a little itty bitty baby. This one's out cold.
How's your feeling, Kyle?
You know, he hopped right on my head.
I'm sorry.